plug have to be to calculate 4 pieces. You can use this way exactly here on the gap. Good morning everyone. Today we have this project, kitchen splashback, the big tiles, and we need to do this area and another small one. The big one, the nice texture, had to be installed from the edge to the corner, from the edge to the corner, and all the time. That's different design for the kitchen splashback. Can be small tiles, can be bigger, can be hexagon, can be subway. This one is very easy. Be pull, cut, all there. All the time have to be the trim on the edge. If it's the small tiles, we have to check all the measurements. Do not be the small tiles on the corner to be nice, not up. And now this one will be small here, and will be the epoxy grout, the wet between. Have to cut all of the edge to be in the middle. See you next. In that case, this plug have to be far than wall, like that can be there the tiles inside. We have to do this one in the middle, to cut here, to cut there, will be nice. All the time we have to check with the level. This wall is not in level, but we can cut levels here. In that case, don't need a measure, tape measure. You can work with some piece. Very easy. Do not be over the cut. There you can use this way. This one we can make nice, smooth, clean. Can use the same. Okay, very easy. Now it's time to do the glue on the wall. After we can prepare the first row and the second row, exactly the measurement I have to cut. The adhesive that I have, it's with a fiberglass. This is very nice, stick bed. Please do like this. This is my way on the wall, on the tiles. can stick. This is the process what I said before. Have to be in that way out. I can cut with this one, really nice. You can use one piece. That's it. Now let's start with the second one, the small one. Try to calculate 4 pieces to be in the middle. I want to put the tape because I can put it on the water. Don't have to go under. It's very easy to be clean faster. This is the white epoxy. Which one will be exactly here on the gap. This is the oil to mix this epoxy resin, and have to be mixed slowly. This is the process, and need to be more liquid, have to be a little bit strong. Epoxy have to be like that. I have to go. This is the product to clean, and you have to put in the water and start with this sponge. If you want to finish quickly in same day, you can use the heater gun. For the silicone, you can dry all the edge. Finally, this is the splashback done in the same day. Very nice. And this bigger one, same in the same day. If you like my job, you can make me one comment, one like that you can help me to grow up the channel. Thank you guys. See you next time.